Are you ready to say goodbye to the hassles of your current home? No more unfinished projects, no more lugging groceries up the stairs, no more lawn maintenance, and definitely no more shoveling snow. Welcome to Twin Oaks Ranch Homes, a private enclave in Sarver, nestled within an established neighborhood and just minutes from routes 228 and 356. Hi, I'm Joni, your Twin Oaks community expert, and I'm thrilled to introduce you to a lifestyle designed for ease, comfort, and fun. Twin Oaks offers the perfect blend of peaceful living and everyday convenience. Enjoy easy access to shopping, dining, and entertainment without the traffic and noise of the city. Sip award-winning wines at Winfield Winery, just 6 miles away. Grab a bite at Smokin' Toad's Barbecue or Rockefeller Sports Grill. Craving excitement? Catch a race at Lernerville Speedway, bike the scenic Butler Freeport Trail, or tee off at one of our 4 nearby golf courses. And when it's time to relax, catch a movie at Classic South Pike 10, just minutes away. Prefer a cozy night in? Step into your brand new home and fall in love with open concept living, stunning countertops, stainless steel appliances, and natural light that fills every room. Forget about mowing the lawn or shoveling snow. At Twin Oaks, you'll enjoy a low-maintenance lifestyle so you can spend more time doing what you love. Every home is thoughtfully designed for comfort and accessibility, with walk-in showers, wider doorways, comfort height vanities, plus the laundry room is just steps from the owner's suite. Finally, you found the perfect home and community that's been impossible to find in the resale market. This is the home and lifestyle you've been searching for. And if you're wondering about selling your current home, building timelines, or financing options, don't worry, we've got you covered. We've been building homes in Butler County for over 50 years. From weekly updates from our project managers, to NVR mortgage loan specialists, to friendly settlement coordinators, we're with you every step of the way to provide a stress-free closing. Even after settlement, our warranty supervisor will ensure your new living space is making you feel right at home. There's so much to love about Twin Oaks Ranch Homes. Take the next step toward the life you deserve. Schedule your visit today. I can't wait to welcome you home.